Hello, I'm Luc Bichard, and this is a brief video to talk about an event that we have coming up at the beginning of the month, which is called HR Basecamp Open House. The main purpose of this open house is to give those who are curious about what an HR peer advisory forum looks like a test drive and a taste of it, where you get to come in and have an actual curated experience that we will offer in this room. So what's in it for you for attending this open house? Well, just a few things. To begin with, you get to come and meet for 90 minutes with other HR professionals who are as passionate about HR as you. You get to talk about best practices, implementation, and communication skills. So if you are a lifelong learner who really want to support other HR professionals and be supported and get out of isolation, you should attend this open house. I'm Luc Bichard. Thanks so much for watching this video.